Here we are in Southland. We've just installed a 45 kilowatt solar PV system. We've installed half this system on the northeast and northwest sides of the roof to give us enough power in the morning and also in the afternoon when they're milking. So here's the system here. I'll take you around to the other side. So here we are on the northeast side, and we have the other half of the system installed here. These are 295 Trina monocrystalline modules. This stereo shed we installed 45 kilowatts, and I'm just going to take you through to see the inverter. So this inverter is our ABB 50 kilowatt. It's got 3 MPP trackers, so we can track 3 different orientations. It's also got its own AC isolator right there, and a DC isolator. It's connected to Wi-Fi, so online monitoring, so you can look at its production any time of the day or wherever you are in the world. That's our ABB 3-phase 50 kilowatt inverter. This is the rotary shed. You see here we've taken the skylights out and put a safety wire under the skylights to protect anyone on the roof. It's good when you're up there cleaning to have that sort of protection up there. So if anyone was having to stand on a skylight or something like that, they're not going to fall through. So the guys just took the skylights off and run some wire, safety wire under that, and made it all safe.